Hello friends, today we are going to make a goat curry. So here we have onion, green chili, garlic and ginger.
So we have some bay leaf, cinnamon stick, fenugreek seed, clove, and cardamom.
Now we have to pour the oil. Now we'll put all the whole spices. We're gonna grind it now.
Meat masala. Okay, that's it.
We forgot to add tomato before, so we are just adding now. We transfer our goat into the pressure cooker so that it can be cooked faster. Now we're gonna pour the water and leave it for 3-4 whistle. So after 5 whistle you can turn off the gas. All good. So our goat curry is finally ready. So finally our goat curry is ready and we are going to have it. What do you want to say? Anything?
Nothing.
Okay. Thank you for watching the video.
Thank you for watching, guys.